Welcome back. Resolve mining issues before 10 December or face the village level agitation in the mining belt. Elected representatives of Goa should break their silence on the mining issue. The warning has come from the North and South Goa Mining Truck Owners Association. The association met at Honda in Sattari on Sunday. The truck owners questioned the government, saying, why is the Goa government silent on mining resumption despite lifting of the ban by the Supreme Court?
Truck owners complain that government's truck repair scheme has not reached to them yet, claiming government's promises hollow.
जेन्ना हियरिंग चालू आशिल्ले तेन्ना आमकां गोयच्या सरकारान सांगिल्लें की सुप्रीम कोर्टान आपली स्टे काढली की आपूण 2 महिन्या भितर मायनी चालू करतलो म्हणून एप्रिल म्हयन्यान सुप्रीम कोर्टान आपली बॅन काढले स्टे काढून हियरिंग दिवन गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक सगळी पावर दिली म्हणून एप्रिल म्हयन्यानसून आतां कितले म्हयने जाले तरी अजून मायनिंगेचो विशय लटकळत कित्याक उरला आमचो गोंय सरकाराक एक प्रश्न आसा
ही पत्रकां छापून आमी गांवांत वाडटले पूण ह्यान फुडें वगीर रावपाचें आमचे कडेन जावपाचें ना त्यात कितें ना कितें खर आमकां सगळ्या गांवांनी मिटिंगो घेवन नॉर्थाक आनी सावथाक हेचेर योग्य विचार करून एक कितें स्टँड आमकां उबो करचो पडटलो.
The association met at Honda in Sattari on Sunday. The truck owners questioned the government, saying why government is silent on mining resumption despite lifting of ban by the Supreme Court.
ट्रक रिपेरिंग म्हणून स्कीम काडिल्ली सरकारान ती स्कीम अजून खंयच कांय अनुभवाक येवंक ना पूण ते आमकां आतां सगळीं आश्वासनां ही पोकळ आश्वासनां अशी दिसता. तेन्ना आमचे एक ह्या मायनिंग वाठारांतल्या आमदारांक तीन आमी तांकां एक सांगणी सांगपाची सोदता तांच्या फुडें गाराणी घालता की तुमी आज वगी कित्याक आसात तुमी ह्या लोकांक लागून कितें केलें हें तुमी जाहीर करा तुमी आमदारांनी आतां मिटींग करा तुमी आपल्यान यशाशें ह्या लोकां खातीर केलें हेंची मायनी चालू जावपाक जाय म्हूण कितें आमी केलें ह्या आमदारांनी आमचें जाहीर करचें अशें आमी तांकां हें करता. आमी सरकाराक 10 डिसेंबर म्हटल्यार आमी तारीख दिता ह्या 10 डिसेंबर म्हटल्यार आमचो कांयच जर हो सुटावो प्रश्न हे गांभीर्यान घेवन सुटयल्ले वचना जाल्यार आमी तेच्या नंतर गांवोगावी उठाव सुरू करतले.
Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
And the preparations for Christmas celebrations have begun. The Advent season commenced from Sunday. During the season, Catholics from all over the world prepare for Christmas and for the celebration of the Nativity of Jesus. The liturgical year of the church also starts with the first Sunday of Advent. The churches have Christmas wreath decorated with 4 candles resembling the 4 Sundays of the Advent season. The markets too have started wearing a Christmas look.
आयज आदवेंताचो पयलो आयतार आनी ह्या पयल्या आयतारान आमी नवें सेवाधर्मीक ओरोस सुरू करता. हें सेवाधर्मीक ओरोस सुरू करता आसतनाच आमी जेजूच्या जल्माचे पुर्वेक तयार जाता. जेजूच्या जल्माचो गूट आमी नियाळटा. ह्या आदवेंताच्या काळान जेजूचे पुर्वेक तयार जाता आसतना आमची तयारी बरी जावंक आनी आमची नातालां उदीक अर्थाबरी जावंक हो आदवेंताचो काळ आमकां आदाराचो.
The markets are too getting set for Christmas with varieties of Christmas cards, stars, lights, the Christmas trees and the costumes of Santa Claus. Savio Dice for Prudent.
9 women were felicitated with Orchard Award 2014 for Women Achievers on Saturday. Women in field of education, sports, arts and culture, business, journalism and social work. It was organized by Vamanhari Pete Jewellers in association with Rotary Club of Panji.
Women in general, there is tremendous talent and potential. They are not only equal, I would say they're more than equal. Only thing that is lacking in our society is the respect we have to give women. My grandmother is a woman, my mother is a woman, my wife is a woman, my daughter is a woman, my niece is a woman. We have women in every sphere of our life. So we have to respect them as one of our own, equal to us. If that is missing,
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.